how to embed other website into your current web page like this. As you can see, this is the home page of wikipedia.org and it's displayed in our current web page. And I'll also teach you how to dynamically embed other website when the button is clicked like this. So if I click this link button called click and embed another, as you can see another website is displaying in our current web page. Now let's flip back into the editor, write some code and learn how to do it. Here on the left I open up the HTML document I created for this lecture using Visual Studio Code, and on the right I open up the same HTML document using Google Chrome. To embed other website into our current web page, we can use HTML iframe tag like this. So just after the page header I'll create an iframe tag. The opening iframe tag looks like this, starting with left angle bracket, iframe and right angle bracket. And the closing iframe tag looks like this, starting with left angle bracket, / iframe and right angle bracket. After that, I'll add src attribute on the opening iframe tag like this, src. It stands for source and its value can be a link to a valid HTML document or a valid website URL. First let's try to embed a valid HTML document. Here I have another HTML document called about.html and it's located in the same folder with our index.html. So the relative file passed to this about.html looks like this. Starting with // this means current folder, and about.html. After that, I'll add title attribute on the opening iframe tag like this. Title. Its value is a short description about what we are displaying inside this iframe. In this case, I'll just say displaying about page. Okay, so I'll save this, and as you can see, the HTML document called about.html is now displaying in our current web page. Next, let's try to embed this website into our current web page. I'll just copy the URL and replace the current file path to about.html with it. I'll also update the title attribute. I'll just say display Wikipedia homepage. I'll also format this a bit. Now it looks better. Now I'll save this, and as you can see the external website called wikipedia.org is now displaying in our current web page. Now the question is, how are we going to make this bigger? The answer is we can use width and height attribute of HTML iframe tag. So on the opening iframe tag I'll add width and height attribute. Width and height. For their values we can put number like this, 350 and 600.so. This means width is 350 pixels and the height is 600 pixels. Now I'll save this, and as you can see the iframe has a bigger size now. And if you don't specify the width and height, the default width is 300 pixel and the default height is 150 pixel. And next, let's try to embed HTML codes into our current web page using HTML iframe tag. To embed HTML codes, we need to add a src-doc attribute on the opening iframe tag like this. src-doc, this stands for source document. And its value is a valid HTML codes. In this case, I'll just use the HTML codes of about.html. But there are several things we need to keep in mind. The first thing to keep in mind is that whenever you want to use HTML codes, it is enough to use only the markup inside the body tag. All the others such as the doc type, HTML tag, head tag, title tag, and different meta tags are optional. So in this case, I just need to copy this block.